Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today our video focuses on how to master chemistry in next 14 days before your JEE main April attempt while still balancing your physics and maths preparation. I know you are diving into time between all three subjects, which is why this strategy is designed to maximize your chemistry performance within 2 to 3 hours of focused study each day. This isn't about the miracle solutions, but it focuses more on the smart and targeted preparation when time is very limited. We all know we have only 2 weeks of time to prepare for the next attempt. If your January attempt didn't go as planned, don't worry, you can still do the wonders in April attempt. This video might be exactly what you need. Let's make this next 2 weeks into count. Let's be completely honest with you. With just 2 weeks remaining, we need to be strategic about chemistry while still maintaining our preparation for physics and mathematics, because all three subjects are important to us. The average students, what they'll do, usually they'll spend more time on the single subject, or they will study without any structured plan, or trying to cover the entire syllabus, entire chapter line by line for all three subjects, and they might have missed the high yield topics. Ma'am, what is high yield topics? I'm going to give all those high yield topics in just a while. Then inconsistent practice schedule. Today I'll start with the problem solving. After 2 minutes, okay, let's do the theory stuff. After half an hour, let's do the practice again. It's or today only I'm studying chemistry. Next day I'm not at all doing anything. Since I have studied yesterday, I'm not going to do anything today. It should not be like this. We have just 14 days. We have to put as much as effort in these 14 days to excel in our examinations, because you should not, my students should not regret in future, I might have studied in those days, I should have get some other good college. You should not get that regret, right? And you have to analyze your weakness and work on it. Okay, don't study over and over again and the same concept, solving the same questions will not work. You have to know which point you are weak, right? This is our daily schedule. Morning 3 hours. Let's say you are waking up at 6, your brain will be very fresh, and do the formula revision. We have attached the formula sheets for every topics, and do the practice for mathematics and quick review. Then have your breakfast and do the theory part. Then again from 2 to 3 physics problem solving, 3 to 4 chemistry topic of the day, and 4 to 5 mathematics, 6 to 7 physics theory, 7 to 8 chemistry practice, and 8 to 9 take a test. Mindfulness is more important. Taking a test with full effort, mindfulness is always pays you. Okay, so whenever you are solving problems, whenever you are covering the theory part, be mindful, focus on the subject, don't think anything about any other thing apart from that. Just have a clarity, you are going to win. Don't think about the past, don't think about the future, live in the present. just think you are going to ace the examination. You are going to get into NITs and IITs. Not less than that. If you scored less mark in January attempt, don't worry, still you have time. That's why we have April attempt. I know many students have scored more marks in April attempt and got good NIT engineering colleges. Okay, don't worry, don't think about the past, don't think about the future, live in the present. Next, we are going to see what are those high priority chapters. First, let's start with physical chemistry. Don't worry, I'm going to attach the entire checklist, day by day checklist in the description. You can download it and do the tick mark. Okay, that will give you more motivation. This many things you have done. The first chapter you need to focus in chemical and ionic equilibrium, then thermodynamics, thirdly electrochemistry. You have to think which subject you are weak. Then solutions and colligative properties, chemical kinetics, mole concept and redox. These concepts are very basic. You must be knowing about this. That's why you can do the problems on the 12th grade chapters, and of course our atomic structure. So do it in this order. Solve as many as problems you can, but please don't stuck with any of these problems. This problem I don't know, I have to spend 1 hour of time to complete it. No, don't do that. Post it in the forum, whatever you are following, or ask it to me by Ask Your Doubt portal in ChemCrack. So, or comment it in any video, right? So you will get the answer. Usually I comment you back whatever you are telling me as a comments, right? So don't stuck with any problem for more than 5 minutes. Then next we are going to see inorganic chemistry. For inorganic, what you need to do? So solving inorganic problems is more about the memory based. Hope you must have understood this by now. Solving inorganic, you have to go through NCERT line by line. Most of the questions, 99% of the questions from inorganic chemistry is from NCERT. Okay, so they make it very easier for you just to go through NCERT, but depth knowledge is much required. Solve the problems. As I always say, practice, practice, practice. Solve the problems. Inorganic, what you have? P block, D block, F block, coordination, periodic properties, chemical bonding. That's it, right? But inorganic, they'll ask 10 to 12 questions from inorganic chemistry. Just following 5 chapters, you will get 60 marks from inorganic. How simple is this, right? So next one is our favorite, organic. So regarding organic chemistry, you must be thorough with the concept. It's more of concept based. thorough with the mechanism. Don't memorize the mechanism, understand it. Okay, don't memorize it. So what are the chapters we have in organic? GOC, isomerism part, right? Other than this, the more marks you will get from carbonyl compounds, from aldehyde, ketones, carboxylic acids, amines, named reactions. We have given a named reaction checklist also, please do check it out. It's all there in the organic playlist. Then alcohol phenol ether, then halo, and give the importance to biomolecules if you have time, because 1 or 2 questions you can expect from biomolecules as well. Okay, so each one of these concepts we have prepared a video. So hope you have thorough with the concepts by this time. So what you need to do is just to solve the previous year papers, mock test question papers. If you need mock test question paper, just post it. Just tell me you need mock test on these chapters. We'll create it for you. We have bunch of mock test papers. I just sent it to you. Okay, don't waste your time. That's what I'm asking you. Then prepare a checklist. These are the things you are going to do today. These are the things I have done today before I sleep. And one trick I'm going to give you before you are going to bed. Just read a concept which you are struggling. By the time you are drifting your eyes, your mind will work on it. Next day, whenever you are studying that concept, that will be clear to you, right? Try this one for 1 or 2 days. If that is working, most of the students it worked for me also when I was studying. So whatever the concept you are studying, at the end of the day, your mind will work on it. Okay, you will get a clarity on the next day, even though you are not getting the clarity on the same day. Okay, and I'm attaching the entire checklist, entire how much percentage, how many weightage of the concept they have asked. Okay, please be motivated, please don't stuck with any problems, and have the formula sheets in your hand and see that daily with mindfully. Okay, and focus on high yield concepts, use the efficiency technique. Like, you have studied the concept, okay, now you should be able to solve the problem. All of you know the concept, just believe it, believe in yourself and practice. Okay, just believe in yourself. Remember, balancing chemistry with physics and mathematics is challenging, but you can achieve it. You can absolutely achieve it with this focused approach. 14 days, take it as a challenge. For the lifetime you will be enjoying this if you win this challenge. Okay, these 15 days you don't have Sundays, you don't have any leaves apart from the time from sleeping and eating. Your mind will be filled with studies. But please be hydrated, don't forget to take the water, and study and practice more. Study, I meant, is that practicing. Okay, so just practice more and more problems, previous year problems, anticipated problems, that's it. Okay, have a confidence, have a habit of following the routine daily, just for 15 days. No, why can't you do that? So be efficient, follow with your consistency, and work smart, not just only hard. We have worked hard, now it's time to work smart, act smart. Okay, use the every minute effectively, right? A minute is so long. If you are watching a clock for 1 minute, you will get to know how much long that is, how much time you are wasting on your social media and some other distractions. No distractions, 14-day challenge. Just take it as a challenge. After 14 days, come back to me and tell me you aced the challenge. Okay? Please don't stuck on any difficult concepts. If you have any difficult concept stuck in your mind, please let me know. We'll post one more video for you, no problem. Any concept, any chapter. Okay? We are going to ace chemistry with maximum marks. And stay hydrated, take a break, but don't overuse your breaks. Review your chemistry toolkit daily, balance all three subjects. These all four is important. You are going to ace the exam, don't worry, just stay focused, just for 15 days. Okay? Practice more questions, mock test series is going to come. Thanks for watching.